Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of crypto mining, specifically on the Binance platform. If you've been curious about mining and want to know how to do it on one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Understanding crypto mining on Binance. First things first, what is crypto mining on Binance? Well, Binance offers a cloud mining service where you can lease computing power to mine various cryptocurrencies. It's a convenient way for both beginners and experienced miners to get involved without the hassle of setting up and maintaining physical mining rigs. Getting started. To start crypto mining on Binance, you'll need a Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Finance tab and select Mining. From there, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine, and Binance will take care of the technical details. Mining pools and rewards. Binance offers different mining pools for each cryptocurrency. Joining a mining pool increases your chances of earning rewards since you're combining your computational power with others. The rewards you earn will depend on factors like the mining pool's performance and the amount of mining power you contribute. Calculating profitability. Now, let's talk about profitability. While Binance Cloud Mining is convenient, it's crucial to calculate your potential profits. Factors like the cryptocurrency's value, mining difficulty, and electricity costs should be taken into account. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, so your earnings can fluctuate. Bonus point. And here's our bonus point: security and risks. While Binance is a reputable exchange, cloud mining always comes with risks. Make sure to use strong security practices, like enabling two-factor authentication, and be cautious of potential scams that might promise guaranteed returns. Always do your research before investing. In conclusion, crypto mining on Binance is a convenient way to get involved in mining without the need for specialized hardware. However, like any investment, it's important to do your due diligence and understand the risks involved. With the right approach, you can potentially earn rewards through Binance Cloud Mining Service. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. As always, stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency mining on Binance.